Start. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the LG Gram laptop. Let's start with the specs before I open it. Has an Intel i7 processor at 1.3 GHz, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, a 17-inch screen, a Retina screen, really high quality, and a 512 gigabyte SSD. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so that's the RAM. That's probably the power cable. Let's take out the laptop. Okay, this wrapping is a bit weird. I'll take the laptop out. Wow, the wrapping is pretty tight around here. That's probably it. Okay, so now we finally got the Gram out of the package. Let's do an overview. I'm not going to remove the plastic covers right here just yet, maybe later in the video. So yeah, it's definitely not as light as 1 gram, but it is light for a laptop. Let's open it. I'm going to set it down. Okay. Pretty big screen. Oh, that's not something you see every day. Hope it's charged. Power on. So it's powering on right now. Usually you see the Windows logo here. Here it says LG. Hope it doesn't take too long. Okay, so it's ready now. I skipped a bit of the loading process because I didn't want you guys to wait all the time. I'm not going to do this in front of the camera right now. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye and see you in the next video.